Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 9th. I'm back. Okay, so yesterday we talked about mixed numbers when we have a whole number with a fraction. Today's super fun because we get to change those into what's called an improper fraction. Remember, we've talked many times that if our fraction has the same numerator and the same denominator, then it's the same as one whole, right? So if I have 8/8, I have one whole. Well, today we're going to look at what does it mean if I have 14/8? What? That means if my numerator is higher than my denominator, that fraction is bigger than one whole. We can turn it into a mixed number. So check it out up here. Oh, they're saying what I said. Sometimes the numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator. These fractions have a value. That means they're bigger than one whole. So we can rename these fractions as mixed numbers. Here's what I want you to see. We're going to start with fraction bars, then we're going to move to using our big smart brains. Right here they're showing us 1 and 3/8. That's our mixed number. We're going to show you fraction bars to model this. Here's one whole, there's our whole number, and 1, 2, 3/8. We can write that as 1 and 3/8. Or we could write it as a fraction. So check out the fraction. We're going to take that one whole and place our 1/8 bars under it. Oh, okay. So we have our 8 bars for our whole, and then our 3/8. How many eighths do we have total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8/8 is one whole, but 9, 10, 11. So if I write this as a fraction, it's 11/8. So that means 1 and 3/8 are a mixed number. If we turn it into just a fraction, 11/8, it's naming the same exact amount. We're just changing it from a whole number and a fraction, a mixed number, to just a fraction. We could use fraction bars, of course, but here is the fun part. This is my favorite. Rename 11/3 as a mixed number. Okay, so think in your brain. We have 11 pieces, and we need to make them into groups of thirds. Well, how could I do that? How can I take a bigger number and place it into smaller groups? My friends, that is division. We know how to divide. So here's what we're going to do. They're showing us 11/3, and they put that fraction into groups of 3. How did they do that? Well, 3/3 is the same as one whole because we have the same numerator and denominator. Oh no, did it stop? Time out.